Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the gold drop 0.4% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound drop 0.3% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie drop 0.5% against the dollar. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street opened higher while US Treasury yields hit three-year highs as investors eyed corporate earnings and what Russia's invasion of Ukraine could mean for global growth. The Fed is battling inflation that's sitting at a 41-year high. Gold prices, meanwhile, have outperformed Bitcoin so far this year. Crypto and gold prices will go higher if the Fed is forced to raise its inflation target to 3%. Samsung Electronics nudged past Intel last year to reclaim the top spot in the global semiconductor market for the first time in 3 years, according to global business tracker Gartner.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Red Book Index will be released at 12:55 GMT. Japan's imports at 23:50 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 01:30 GMT. Finland's unemployment rate will be released at 0500 hours GMT. The Irish consumer confidence at 23 hours and 01 minutes GMT. Japan's exports at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.